warm good morning to one and all present here with us today. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all to the charcoal workshop organized by the Faculty of Social Sciences, University of South Asia. Thank you to all for being here today and joining us with such enthusiasm. Your presence truly adds meaning to this creative endeavor, and we are delighted to have you and have such a passionate audience ready to explore the art of portrait making.
These are very important beyond your studies.
Faculty of Social Sciences at South Asian University is committed to enable and encourage students to explore and try out various mediums of expressions which are there in the practices of art. This workshop, going with the long tradition of sociology, anthropology and associated discipline, is an attempt to encourage students, to expose students to some of these varied mediums of expression so that they can articulate their deeper emotions and experiences in order to make sense, better sense, nuanced understanding of social reality.
तो मैं हिमांशी आर्या हूँ और मैं आज यहाँ पे एज अ चारकोल पोर्ट्रेट वर्कशॉप के लिए यहाँ पे इनवाइटेड की गई हूँ। मैं स्पेशली थैंक यू बोलना चाहती हूँ कि साउथ एशियन यूनिवर्सिटी ने मुझे एक चांस दिया यहाँ पर आने का और पोर्ट्रेट सिखाने का। मुझे काफ़ी अच्छा लग रहा है बच्चों से इंटरेक्ट करके और काफ़ी अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स भी आ रहा है और बच्चे सीख रहे हैं। आई थिंक यही सबसे बड़ी बात है। तो मैं काफ़ी खुश हूँ और मेरा यही है कि बच्चे और अच्छा काम करें।
मैंने आज चारकोल वर्कशॉप अटेंड की जो मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगी। एज अ बिगिनर मैंने बहुत सारी चीज़ें नई नई लर्न करी कि चारकोल पेंसिल कैसे यूज़ करते हैं, मार्किंग्स कैसे करते हैं और बहुत सारी चीज़ें मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा।
I am enrolled in something like this, a charcoal workshop, and I just want to thank you to everybody, organizers and Reefsor for organizing this workshop. It's been a lovely and amazing experience for everyone here. Thank you so much.
This workshop is really helpful for beginners. As Sir rightly, Dr. Devnath Pathak rightly quoted, classroom teachings are helpful, but beyond that there's learning, and I think this workshop is one of them. And it's really nice and helpful, and I like to show my painting although I was a beginner, and this is exactly what I did in my first attempt, and I think it's turning out to be really nice.
My experience was very good. I did this charcoal drawing for the first time, and we started with the basic portraiture, and then we proceeded to charcoal. It was a good experience.
My experience with this charcoal art workshop was very nice, and this was my first experience with this charcoal. I used to do this craft and painting, and this was a very new introduction for me. And ma'am was very nice. She taught us what are the different tones, and she's a very good teacher.
Joining this art workshop was a unique experience for me, and it was a very insightful workshop because all the basics and everything was explained to us with the minute detailings.
As the coordinator of this workshop, we aim to have an interactive session for the students to learn about the techniques of portraiture through the medium of charcoal, and we are glad that we are able to achieve the aim. We are hoping to have such a workshop in future as well. Thank you.